Hello, welcome the Wealth English channel.
Welcome to the Wealth English channel. Do you know the names of everything here? From the spatula to the microwave, let's learn 30 essential kitchen items. Clear words, fun actions, and perfect English. Are you ready? Let's cook and learn.
Kettle. The kettle is boiling water. Kettle. The kettle is boiling water. Toaster. The toaster pops up the bread. Toaster. The toaster pops up the bread.
Cutting board. Put the onion on the cutting board. Cutting board. Put the onion on the cutting board.
Grater. I use a grater to grate some cheese. Grater. I use a grater to grate some cheese.
Ladle. I use a ladle to scoop the soup. Ladle. I use a ladle to scoop the soup.
You just slide the spatula right underneath, give it a quick flick of the wrist, and look at that, a perfect flip every single time. You just slide the spatula right underneath, give it a quick flick of the wrist, and look at that, a perfect flip every single time. I use a rolling pin to flatten the dough. I use a rolling pin to flatten the dough.
Peeler. Use a peeler to peel the potato. Peeler. Use a peeler to peel the potato.
Apron. I put on my apron to cook. Apron. I put on my apron to cook. Oven mitt. Use an oven mitt to hold hot pans. Oven mitt. Use an oven mitt to hold hot pans.
Fridge. Put the milk in the fridge. Fridge. Put the milk in the fridge.
Dish soap. Use dish soap to clean the plates. Dish soap. Use dish soap to clean the plates.
Spoon. Eat your soup with a spoon. Spoon. Eat your soup with a spoon.
Plate. Put the pasta on the plate. Plate. Put the pasta on the plate. Sponge. Scrub the pan with a sponge. Sponge. Scrub the pan with a sponge.
Oven. I bake cookies in the oven. oven. I bake cookies in the oven.
Microwave. Heat the food in the microwave. Microwave. Heat the food in the microwave.
Sink. Wash your hands in the sink. Sink. Wash your hands in the sink.
Blender. I use a blender to make a smoothie. Blender. I use a blender to make a smoothie.
Bowl. I eat cereal in a bowl. Bowl. I eat cereal in a bowl.
Salt shaker. Add a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of salt. Salt shaker. Add a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of salt.
Fork. Use a fork to eat the salad. Fork. Use a fork to eat the salad.
Chopsticks. I use chopsticks to eat noodles. Chopsticks. I use chopsticks to eat noodles.
Mug. I drink hot coffee from a mug. Mug. I drink hot coffee from a mug.
Glass. Fill the glass with cold water. Glass. Fill the glass with cold water.
Measuring cup. Measure the flour with a cup. Measuring cup. Measure the flour with a cup.
Pot. Boil the pasta in a large pot. Pot. Boil the pasta in a large pot.
Lid. Put the lid on the pot. Lid. Put the lid on the pot. Pepper shaker. Shake some pepper on the meat. Pepper shaker. Shake some pepper on the meat. Colander. Drain the water with a colander. Colander. Drain the water with a colander.